In today's video, we're going to explore a fundamental concept in project management, the project lifecycle. Understanding the project lifecycle is crucial for both aspiring project managers and seasoned professionals. We'll delve into the meaning and concept of the project lifecycle and walk you through the steps involved in this structured approach to managing projects. Additionally, we'll examine a real-life example to demonstrate how the project lifecycle operates in practice. So let's get started. Meaning and concept of project lifecycle. To begin, let's grasp the essence of the project lifecycle. The project lifecycle is a systematic framework that provides structure and guidance for managing a project from its initiation to its closure. It's like the roadmap that guides you through the entire project journey, ensuring that key objectives are met and that the project is completed within the specified constraints of time, budget, and resources. Meaning of project lifecycle. The project lifecycle represents the phases a project goes through, each with distinct objectives and outcomes. It helps project managers and teams understand where they are in the project, what needs to be accomplished, and how to progress further. This structured approach enhances efficiency and minimizes the chances of confusion or mismanagement. Concept of project lifecycle. Imagine your project as a novel and the project lifecycle as chapters in that book. Each chapter has its purpose and contributes to the overall story. Similarly, in a project, each stage of the lifecycle serves a specific function and contributes to the project's success. The concept revolves around the idea that projects have a natural progression from initiation to completion. Steps in the project lifecycle. Now let's dig deeper into the key steps within the project lifecycle. Keep in mind that the specific stages can vary depending on the project management methodology you're using, but we'll focus on the common phases that you'll find in most project lifecycles. Step 1. Initiation phase. The first step in the project lifecycle is the initiation phase. This is where the project idea is conceived and its feasibility is assessed. During this phase, key stakeholders come together to define the project's purpose, scope, and objectives. It's crucial to determine whether the project aligns with the organization's strategic goals and whether it's worth pursuing. Key activities. Define project objectives and goals. Identify stakeholders and their interests. Develop a project charter or initial project proposal. Evaluate the project's feasibility in terms of budget, resources, and time. Step 2. Planning phase. Once the project has been initiated, it's time to move on to the planning phase. This stage is all about creating a detailed project plan that outlines how the project will be executed, monitored, and controlled. A well-structured plan is essential for setting the project up for success. Key activities. Define project scope, objectives, and deliverables. Develop a comprehensive project schedule. Allocate resources and budget. Identify potential risks and create a risk management plan. Establish communication and reporting mechanisms. Step 3. Execution phase. With the project plan in place, it's time for the execution phase. This is where the actual work of the project takes place. Resources are allocated and team members carry out their assigned tasks. The project manager plays a critical role in ensuring that everything is progressing as planned. Key activities. Resource allocation and task assignment. Team coordination and management. Continuous monitoring of progress. Implementing any necessary changes. Ensuring the project stays within scope, time, and budget. Step 4. Monitoring and controlling phase. The monitoring and controlling phase runs concurrently with the execution phase and involves ongoing assessment and management of the project's performance. The primary goal here is to identify and address issues, track progress, and make necessary adjustments to keep the project on track. Key activities. Regular project performance measurement. Issue identification and resolution. Change control and scope management. Quality assurance and control. Risk management and mitigation. Step 5. Closing phase. The final phase in the project lifecycle is the closing phase. This is where the project is wrapped up and delivered to the client or end users. It's crucial to ensure that all project objectives have been met and that the client is satisfied with the results. Key activities. Handing over project deliverables. Conducting a final project evaluation. Documenting lessons learned. Obtaining client acceptance and sign-off. Closing out contracts and finalizing financials. Real-life example of project lifecycle. Now let's explore a real-life example to illustrate how the project lifecycle operates in a practical setting. Example 1. Consider the development of a new product, such as a smartphone. Stage 1. Initiation. The initiation phase involves identifying the need for a new smartphone model based on market research and consumer demands. The project team conducts a feasibility study to assess the technical and financial aspects of the project. Stage 2. Planning. During the planning stage, the project team develops a detailed project plan that outlines the product's features, design specifications, manufacturing timeline, and budget requirements. They also establish a marketing strategy for the product launch. Stage 3. Execution. In the execution phase, the product development process begins, involving the design, prototyping, and testing of the smartphone. Manufacturing processes are initiated, and the product is prepared for mass production. Stage 4. Monitoring and controlling. Throughout the manufacturing process, quality checks and performance tests are conducted to ensure that the product meets the defined specifications and standards. Any deviations or issues are addressed promptly to prevent delays or quality compromises. Stage 5. Closing. Once the smartphone is ready for the market, the project is finalized and the product is launched. Post-launch reviews and customer feedback are collected to evaluate the product's performance and identify areas for future improvements. Example 2. Consider the construction of a new office building in a metropolitan area. Stage 1. Initiation. In this phase, the project stakeholders identify the need for a modern office space to accommodate the growing workforce. They evaluate the location, assess the budget, and determine the project's feasibility within the specified timeframe. Stage 2. Planning. During the planning stage, the project team develops a detailed plan that includes architectural designs, construction timelines, and cost estimates. They also secure necessary permits and approvals from local authorities. Stage 3. Execution. The execution phase involves the actual construction of the office building according to the approved plan. Contractors and construction workers are mobilized, and the building's foundation, structure, and utilities are installed as per the architectural designs. Stage 4. Monitoring and controlling. Throughout the construction process, project managers conduct regular site inspections to ensure that the construction adheres to safety regulations and quality standards. They also manage any unexpected challenges such as material shortages or weather delays. Stage 5. Closing. As the construction nears completion, the project team finalizes the interior design, installs necessary fixtures, and conducts a final inspection to ensure that the building is ready for occupancy. Once the building is deemed ready, it is officially handed over to the client. Summary of project lifecycle. Initiation phase. This is where the project idea is born. Key activities include defining project objectives, identifying stakeholders, and assessing feasibility. Planning phase. In this stage, a comprehensive project plan is developed, including defining scope, allocating resources, and identifying potential risks. Execution phase. This is where the actual work of the project takes place. Tasks are assigned, and the project manager ensures that the project stays within scope, time, and budget. Monitoring and controlling phase. Ongoing assessment and management of the project's performance take place during this phase. Issues are identified, and necessary adjustments are made to keep the project on track. Closing phase. The final phase involves wrapping up the project, handing over deliverables, and conducting a final evaluation. Lessons learned are documented, and the project is officially closed. Understanding the critical steps within the project lifecycle is crucial for ensuring the successful completion of any project. Each phase serves a specific purpose and contributes to the overall effectiveness and efficiency of the project management process. In conclusion, the project lifecycle is a foundational concept in project management that provides a structured approach to managing projects. It's a roadmap that guides you through the initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and controlling and closing phases. Understanding and effectively applying the project lifecycle can significantly increase your chances of project success. Remember, a well-defined project lifecycle is the key to achieving your project objectives and ensuring long-term success. I hope this video provided you with valuable insights into the project life cycle and its practical application. If you found this content useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights into project management and related topics. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with project life cycles, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for joining us today. I look forward to hearing from you. Until next time, keep managing your projects with precision and finesse.